Hi everyone, I'm Diego and this is Volume 2 on 10 Species of Sharks. Please enjoy. The black-nosed shark is common in the tropical and subtropical waters in the western parts of the Atlantic Ocean. The Borneo shark is a critically endangered shark known only from the inshore waters around Muka in northwestern Borneo. The copper shark is found mostly at temperate latitudes. They also have plain bronze colorations. The graceful shark is a vulnerable shark found in the tropical Indo-Pacific, from the Gulf of Aden to northern Australia. The gray reef shark is one of the most common reef sharks in the Indo-Pacific. They are often seen in shallow waters, near drop-offs of coral reefs. The Pacific spade-nosed shark is the only spade-nosed shark to thrive in the Pacific Ocean. The pig-eye shark looks similar to the bull shark, but they're actually saltwater sharks. The silver-tip shark thrives in the Pacific and Indian Oceans. They are easily identified by the prominent white margins on their fins. The spade-nosed shark is found in the tropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. They form large schools in shallow waters. The spinner shark resembles a black-tip reef shark because of its size. The Apalachicola kingsnake is native to the Florida Panhandle in the northwestern part of Florida. The Brooks's kingsnake is one of the subspecies of the common kingsnake. The Central Plains milksnake is found in the United States, including Utah. The common kingsnake has long been a favorite among collectors. Only 9 subspecies are currently recognized. The Greer's kingsnake lives in Mexico. The Mexican black kingsnake is a subspecies of the common kingsnake, endemic to the rocky areas and lush places with vegetation in various regions of the Sonoran Desert, northwestern Sinaloa, Mexico, and small parts of Arizona. The Santa Catalina kingsnake is found only on Isle of Santa Catalina in Mexico. The scarlet kingsnake is found in the southeastern and eastern portions of the United States. The short-tailed snake is found only in sandy upland parts of Florida. Hi everyone, I'm Diego and this is Volume 3 on 5 Species of Gibbons. To begin with, there are some gibbons that have subspecies that could add up to a total of 20 gibbon species. This is the final volume about gibbons. Please enjoy. The black-crested gibbon is a critically endangered species of gibbon with 4 subspecies found in China, Laos, and northern Vietnam. The northern buff-cheeked gibbon is named after their buff cheeks. They also look similar to the yellow-cheeked gibbon. The northern white-cheeked gibbon is named after the white cheeks. The southern white-cheeked gibbon is closely related to the northern white-cheeked and the yellow white-cheeked gibbons. They live in lowland broadleaf forests, with some populations living in forested areas with mountains. The yellow-cheeked gibbon is named after their yellow cheeks. This is seen on both genders. Hi everyone, I'm Diego and this video is about 6 species of flamingos. To begin with, the name for this whiting bird comes from Portuguese or Spanish, meaning flame-colored. Only 4 thrive in the Americas, while the 2 thrive in Afro-Eurasia. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. please leave a like and subscribe. The American flamingo is the only flamingo native to North America. The Andean flamingo is native to the high Andes Mountains in Peru, Chile, Bolivia, and Argentina. They also live in colonies with other flamingo species as well. The Chilean flamingo is closely related to the American and greater flamingos, but they only live in South America. The Chilean and greater flamingos, they got tagged. Now they recognize who they are.
Right.
And also their names.
Well, yeah.
I remember watching them from the Simpsons game, mostly upper flamingos. Greater flamingos are taller than regular flamingos. Yes. And you know what else? There could be millions in a single flock.
So then this is a tiny flock?
Yes. Okay. Look one. Look, it's displaying its wings. Another one.
So you're gonna run out of memory, Gibbons.
The greater flamingo is the most widespread and largest species of the flamingo family, found in Europe, Asia, and Africa. The James's flamingo is closely related to the Andean flamingo. They also live in one huge colony, including the nesting areas where they share with other flamingo species. The lesser flamingo is the smallest flamingo found in Africa and India. The Argentine rainbow boa is found in Argentina, Bolivia, and Paraguay. The boa constrictor is frequently kept and bred in captivity. 4 subspecies are currently recognized in South America. Here are the locations this type of reptile is found in. The Central American boa looks identical to the common boa. It's also found in Mexico, Central America, and the Andes Mountains of South America. Here are the locations this type of reptile is found in. The Colombian rainbow boa is a type of rainbow boa found in Colombia and other parts of South America. The Dominican boa is endemic to Dominica. Here are the locations this type of reptile is found in. The Paraguayan rainbow boa is found in Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay. Here are the locations this type of reptile is found in. Hi everyone, I'm Diego and this is the final volume on 10 species of pythons. Please enjoy. The Brettles carpet python is endemic to Australia. The Darwin carpet python is a subspecies of python found in New Guinea and Australia. The diamond python is found in southeastern Australia. It's also quite variable in color and pattern. The green tree python is native to New Guinea, some islands of Indonesia, and the Cape York Peninsula in Australia. The jungle carpet python lives in the rainforests of Queensland, Australia. The McDowell's carpet python occurs along the northeastern coast of Australia and New Guinea. The Murray Darling carpet python is found in Australia and is semi-arboreal.
Here are the locations this type of reptile is found in.
The northern green tree python occurs in the central mountains of New Guinea. The rough-scaled python is endemic to Australia. They get their name because of their rough scales that can be used for perfect camouflage. The southwestern carpet python is found in the southern regions of Western Australia and the western parts of southern. Hi everyone, I'm Diego and this is Volume 1 on 5 species of rays. To begin with, rays are the closest relatives of the shark. They are distinguished by their flattened bodies, enlarged pectoral fins that are fused to the head, and gill slits that are placed on their ventral surfaces. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. The blind torpedo is a species of electric rays found in the west-central area of the Atlantic Ocean. The Brazilian blind electric ray is endemic to Brazil. The natural habitats are the open seas. The broad stingray inhabits sandy or muddy flats at depths greater than 50 meters and 49 feet. The dark blind ray is another type of electric ray with females weighing at about 39.24 centimeters and males weighing at about 35.12 centimeters. They are found in the seas of the Middle East and India. The deep water stingray is named for thriving in deep water. It was widely distributed in the Indo-Pacific, typically over fine sediments on the upper continental slope at depths of about 2,230 feet. Hi everyone, I'm Diego and this is Volume 2 on 5 species of rays. Please enjoy. The fan ray lives in the western Pacific Ocean with poor mobility. It feeds mainly on fish and crustaceans. The Hyuga fan ray is endemic to the Hyuga Sea in the southern coast of Japan. This type of ray may be declining from human exploitation, but there can still be a chance to make a comeback. The Immaculate panray is native from the Gulf of Guinea, Ivory Coast, Gabon, and Angola. The rough-tailed stingray is a species of stingray with separate populations in the northwestern and southwestern coastal waters of the Atlantic Ocean. It's characterized by the angular shape of its disc and the thorns over its body and tail. The short-tailed stingray is a common species of stingray. It occurs off southern Africa, typically offshore at a depth of 180 to 140 meters, and off southern Australia and New Zealand from the intertidal zone to a depth of 156 meters. Hi everyone, I'm Diego and this is Volume 3 on 5 species of rays. Please enjoy. The six-gill stingray is a species of stingray with 6 gills. It has a rounded pectoral fin disc and a long, triangular, flexible snout with a gelatinous substance. The striped panray is found in the Atlantic Ocean, ranging from Morocco to Angola. The Taiwanese blind electric ray is endemic to Taiwan. The natural habitats are the upper continental slopes of coastal waters. The thornback guitarfish is closely related to the electric rays. They range from Tomales Bay to the Gulf of California, generally in shore waters, no deeper than 6 meters and 20 feet. The yellow-spotted fan ray lives in various countries in the northwestern Pacific Ocean. Males grow a total length of about 45.52 centimeters, while females weigh at a bigger length of about 55.58 centimeters. Hi everyone, I'm Diego and this is Volume 2 on 10 species of dolphins. Please enjoy. The common dolphin is the most abundant dolphin in the world, with a global population of about 6 million. The Hector's dolphin is endemic to New Zealand. The Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphin is a species of bottlenose dolphin. It lives around the waters of India, Australia, South China, the Red Sea, and the eastern coast of Africa. The Indo-Pacific humpbacked dolphin is a species of humpback dolphins, inhabiting coastal waters of the eastern Indian and western Pacific Oceans. Only 2 subspecies are currently recognized. The Maui dolphin is a subspecies of the Hector's dolphin. The population of this critically endangered dolphin is fewer than 50, but that's okay. We can still have a chance to save these 2 dolphins of New Zealand. The Pacific white-sided dolphin is an active dolphin. They're found in the cool or temperate waters of the North Pacific Ocean. The pan-tropical spotted dolphin is found in all the world's temperate and tropical oceans. Only 2 subspecies are currently recognized. The Risso's dolphin is related to the pilot whales, pygmy killer whales, and melon-headed whales. It's the only species of the genus Grampus. The spinner dolphin is found in offshore tropical waters around the world. It's famous for acrobatic displays in 360-degree rotation as it leaps through the air. The striped dolphin is found in temperate waters of all the world's oceans. It looks similar to the pan-tropical spotted dolphin, Atlantic spotted dolphin, and Crimean dolphin because of its size and shape. However, the coloring is very different and makes it relatively easy for people to notice at sea.
Hi everyone, I'm Diego, and this is Volume 1 on 5 species of cobras. To begin with, the cobra is the common name of various venomous snakes, most of which belong to the genus Naha. Many cobras are also capable of rearing upwards and producing a hood when threatened. So, I hope you enjoy. Please leave a like and subscribe.
The Andaman cobra is endemic to the Andaman Islands of India. It's also a poorly spitting cobra that can cause blindness and intense pain if left untreated. It's really best to back off from this poor spitting cobra.
Here are the locations this type of reptile is found in.
The Caspian cobra is the most deadliest cobra in the world and endemic to Central Asia, so please stay away from this type of venomous snake. The Chinese cobra is one of the most prevalent venomous snakes in China and Taiwan. It has been known to cause many snake bite incidents to humans, like us.
Here are the locations this type of reptile is found in.
The Indian cobra is the only venomous snake that is native to India. It has been revered in Hindu mythology and culture, and is often seen with snake charmers.
Here are the locations this type of reptile is found in.
The monocled cobra is widespread across South and Southeast Asia. Unlike the Indian cobra, it has an O-shaped or monocoelate hood pattern.
Here are the locations this type of reptile is found in.
Hi everyone, I'm Diego, and this is Volume 1 on 4 species of baleen whales. To begin with, they are different from toothed whales because of their baleen mouths. They feed mostly on plankton and krill, but they can also feed on fish. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. The bowhead whale is the only baleen whale endemic to the Arctic and subarctic waters. It's also named after its massive triangular skull that is used to break through Arctic ice. The North Atlantic right whale is one of the 3 right whale species. The North Pacific right whale is very large and thick. Only 40 remain in the northern Pacific Ocean. The pygmy right whale was once thought to have been extinct, but still remains, and there's just too many to count on how many there are. Well, at least it's least concern.